Natural Wurlitzer, I guess. Distorted Wurlitzer. Wow. I like this hybrid EP. Okay, mixed up. Dyno Whirly makes me think it'd be dynamic in some way. Wow, there's just like a ton. It's like a Yamaha DX7 maybe. Does sound like a DX sorta. Nice, satisfying. Plenty of pianos, man. DX Mellow. Crisp. A little bit of a knocky knock there, Celesta. Pluck. My sustain pedal's getting away from me here. GS Times. GS Times. Still need some going by. Right quick so you can hear them. Cool. So you hear some pretty nice stereo effects there. I don't like that too much. Harpsichord? Huh. Hipsichord. Harpsichord. Must be all of them. Wow, it's a lot of piano. 64, I guess. Organs. I could just go on forever. Just do a. Some of these things you're probably. Oh, you got your resonance and stuff. I'm assuming some of these things over here will do your Leslie sounds. Interesting. Nice organs. Distorted one. See, over here, I don't know if the GoPro's getting it or not, but there are some parameters you can change. Some things I'm not quite understanding about it. Pretty cool. You can see crossing over some of these real fast. Just so you can see what they sound like. Let's go quickly here. I don't want to... You can see there's just a ton of sounds. Okay, I'm breaking some of these cut-offs and things are probably for the synth sounds. This is draw control. That's cool. Pretty sweet. Still an organ. It's like a bass though. Greasy. Swishy. That's cool. Wow, I like that. Cut off the something on this. Oh, you can wide a little bit. like it. St. Peter, Flutie Pipe, St. Paul. Folks, there's just a ton of sounds in this thing. It's wearing me out. Let's just see what happens in guitar over here just a minute. I'm just curious. Anything. Nylon harmonic. Don't know how you deploy the harmonic. Anyway. Mute and slide. Nice steel strings. A ton of guitars. Sure, there has to be some distorted electrics in here somewhere. Wow. Folks, it's crazy. Keep going all night. Once again, let's just kind of go. Unbelievable. Pretty cool guitars. Crazy. Okay, so there's all that stuff in there. Let's jump on to bass.